Today, we're diving into how to talk about what you did yesterday in English. This is a great way to practice your speaking skills and share your experiences with others. Let's break it down into 4 simple parts. First, start with a basic phrase. You can say, yesterday, This sets the stage for your story. It's straightforward and gets right to the point. For example, yesterday, I went to the park. This simple structure helps your listeners know exactly what you're talking about. Next, let's add some activities to make your story more interesting. Think about what you did throughout the day. Did you have breakfast? Did you meet a friend? You might say, yesterday, I went to the park and I had a delicious breakfast at my favorite cafe. Adding details like this not only makes your story richer, but also gives your listeners a clearer picture of your day. Now, let's talk about something fun or interesting that happened. This is where you can really engage your audience. Maybe you saw a beautiful sunset or met someone new. You could say, while I was at the park, I saw a stunning sunset that painted the sky in shades of orange and pink. It was breathtaking. Sharing these moments makes your story memorable and invites your listeners to connect with your experience. Finally, wrap up your story with a conclusion. You can summarize what you did and how you felt about it. For instance, overall, yesterday was a wonderful day. I enjoyed my time at the park and felt so relaxed. This gives your listeners a sense of closure and leaves them with a positive impression of your day. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you talk about your experiences, the more comfortable you'll become. So, try sharing your stories with friends or even in the comments below. What did you do yesterday? I can't wait to hear about it.